Hello, everyone. My name is Jake Cutler, and I'm the founder and CEO of Ampli-Fi. We're a fintech in the small business lending space, and we like to partner with the small brokers and small businesses that may otherwise get left behind by big banks and lenders by digitizing the most painful aspects of the finance process. Did you know that there was $2 trillion worth of equipment purchased in the United States in 2021, and $1.16 trillion worth of that equipment was purchased using finance? You can't have an equipment finance agreement without one buyer, one seller, and one lender willing to put in some capital to that transaction. In this case, the equipment buyers, the Bobs of the world, tend to be the backbone of our society. They build our houses, they drive our transportation, they may own a restaurant, and they can't complete these small businesses without the equipment and working capital they need to run. The equipment sellers, the Toms of the world, they want to help the Bobs, but in some cases, there's nothing they can do if they don't come up with the capital they need. And in other cases, the Toms are just left waiting days and weeks without knowing if this is really a viable customer. Unfortunately, the big banks and lenders don't always care about the smaller Toms and Bobs of the world, and that's where brokers come into play. Brokers help connect Tom and Bob and the smaller transactions to the capital they need. Ampli-Fi is an embedded banking as a service platform that helps improve the process for all sides. This is an example of what the process is like today. Looking from Terrence's perspective, there's thousands of brokers out there. They spend a ton of money on marketing. They're on the phones all day. And when they connect with a small business that needs lending, they're still providing printable PDF applications. They may partner with a Tom to provide this to Bob, or they may provide it directly, but it immediately causes friction. It's more work for Bob. It leads to a ton of emails. And Terrence then has to read through credit reports, and small brokers deal with a high volume of bank statements. Hours are wasted. It takes a ton of their time, and it leads to a manual syndication. If it's over a certain threshold, Terrence is going to shotgun this out to several different lenders to see if he can get the best opportunity in, meaning he's also wasting time for lenders that are underwriting transactions that may not get approved or may never proceed. We know that there's a better way. We provide landing pages and embedded products to brokers and equipment sellers. We work with them on their marketing materials to help connect their buyers and borrowers to our custom online application landing pages, where we've automated the process of pulling and assessing credit. We give buyers and borrowers immediate feedback, as well as opportunities to connect their bank accounts or securely submit documents in a way where we can get more data and do further impactful digital underwriting. We provide real-time analytics to our partners, and we're looking to get to a fully automated space of digital syndication. This is an example of what the process looks like for our partner, Terrence. This is Terrence's webpage, where we've provided him with an embedded product that leads to our custom online application. It looks great. Buyers know that they're in the right space when they get to this landing page. When they complete it, it automates how it pulls and assesses their credit, giving them immediate feedback and ways to potentially connect their bank account, meaning they could be fully completed with the process in just a matter of minutes. If they prefer, we also have a space to securely submit documents, and we're building in a product for AI document classification where we'll scrape more data and do further impactful digital underwriting. In any case, we drive Bob to a completed submission. This is what the experience looks like from our seller partner perspective. This is one of our real world partners, SciOps. They have more than 20 salespeople, and all the salespeople and the buyers can easily find our finance solutions on their webpage. While this looks like a SciOps landing page, this is actually something we own and we provide to small businesses that may not have a technical or marketing team behind them to help build something. They only need to hyperlink this so it can be easily accessed. We provide them with marketing materials and embedded tools, and we have a quote tool so all the people on the sales team can easily send quotes to their customer. Whether it's through the landing page, marketing materials, or the finance quotes, we drive people to that online application where Bob gets that remarkable experience that drives him through to a fully completed submission in shorter time than is typically available. We were also asked by sellers and brokers to provide them with a dashboard so they can get more information. This can provide them with a forecast of what's been closed for the month and help them identify what transactions are moving forward without having to call someone like me for an update. We've worked on this process of how we improve the process of the submission delivery, and our next step is to improve our lender filter and securely delivering these document packages to the lenders. We have 6 seller partners. That means we're working with 30 different equipment seller partners that use our products to introduce us to their customers where we're actively closing business. We have 2 brokers that are trialing our product, and we're excited. We've already built the process that automates pulling and assessing credit. We're moving to a space where we're improving our lender filter and our document submission delivery, and we have a vision to move to a full machine learning construct where we can assess the buyer sentiment and where we can take those really complicated lender and bank credit underwriting needs and digitize it so it can be navigated in just moments. We're amplifying, and we amplify the process for brokers and sellers looking to give a seamless experience to buyers, help amplify to get capital to the small businesses that need it to run. Thank you. Feel free to contact me for more information.